ginger, perhaps next to the hot pepper, is my second favorite type of spice to grow. Ginger is a pungent tropical herb used to add flavor to a variety of food dishes. Here in the United States, most of us think of ginger as ginger ale, ginger snaps, or gingerbread. Around the world, ginger is a powerful superfood. It contains both antibiotic and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's also good for anybody that has a upset tummy. You can purchase ginger from various online stores, or you can save yourself the shipping charges by going to your local grocery store and buying a piece of it from there. Before you plant it, however, there are a few things that you need to do. Number one, you need to soak it overnight in warm water. Most pieces of ginger, just like with any fruit, should be washed before you use it, but especially with ginger, it is sprayed with a chemical that helps to retard the production of the um, eyes or sprouts that you see if you allow it to sit for a long period of time. This is my ginger plant that I started from a piece of store-bought ginger. I actually forgot that it was out here and just noticed it a couple of days ago. That's just how little uh, ginger requires. I do notice, however, that it is starting to have flowers, or looks like it's about to bloom. So I believe it's time to remove the plant. I do know that when the leaves start to brown and fall back, that it's ready to be harvested. Ginger is a warm, loving plant that grows year-round in zones 9B and above, but gardeners in the northern climates usually grow ginger in containers indoors. If you don't have access to a ginger plant, you can buy ginger from your local store. Like I mentioned before you put them in soil, make sure that you soak them overnight in warm water. Look for firm, light-colored ginger roots with bumpy little buds at the tip. Organic ginger is preferable, as regular grocery stores treat ginger with chemicals to prevent sprouting. Ginger takes a long time to grow, up to 10 months, so be patient. Okay, hopefully you can see me. And we're going to remove the ginger. First, we're going to remove the dead leaves. We have a little piece of ginger here. Hopefully you can see it. So we're going to lay that one there. As you can see, there's a lot of roots in here. You could have using taken the water hose and just rinsed all the dirt off as well, but didn't necessarily want to do that. Okay, and here we go. You can see we have big pieces of ginger. Okay, hopefully you can see. I'm going to go inside and actually rinse this off and then show you what it looks like from there. Okay, we're back, and I went in and washed and cleaned everything up, and all this came from one small supermarket piece of ginger. And as you can see, we have some nice big pieces. The areas here, if you were getting ready to plant, you would cut this piece off here, allow it to heal. You don't have to soak it since it wasn't store-bought. Place it in the ground so that these are sticking up, and over a period of time you will have ginger. So I want to thank you for coming along with me this morning while I harvested my ginger. I truly forgot that it was out there, but it didn't do any harm to it. It actually allowed it to grow larger than what I thought it would. So if you got anything out of this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, by all means, feel free to leave me a comment or a question, and I will respond to it. If you're interested in any of the items that you saw in the video, you can head over to my Amazon storefront or my website, and you can purchase them from there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd like to take this opportunity to have you do so. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like and the notification bell. I can grow a lot of vegetables and ginger by myself, but I can't grow the channel without your help. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care Until next time.